There's a color we haven't seen in a while in these current temperature maps, this nice shade of blue here. I'm a fan of this color. I really like this shade of blue. Not a fan of these temperatures, though. 27 degrees. It's really chilly in Ithaca this morning. There are 29 in the Valley and Elmira. At the Binghamton Airport, we're the warm spot around the region. It's 32 degrees. Those untreated roads, the secondary roads especially, sidewalks, driveways, things that aren't treated will be very, very slippery. So allow some extra time as you head to work and send the kids off to school today. It's going to be a slick morning out there. Steve is exactly right. There is some nasty weather coming up, some very cold temperatures, and some wintry weather, too. Snow, ice, sleet. We'll talk about it coming up right after this on News Channel 34. Jen, not the best week weather-wise, but, you know, if you like ice, it makes things look kind of pretty out there.
Yeah, if you like ice skating, but it's hard for driving. You want to be safe on the roads.
Right, if you like ice skating on your lawn, for example.
All right, Jordan, thanks a lot.
As the system started to move up the coast again, the air kind of wrapped around the low-pressure system. Air flows counterclockwise around a low-pressure system, and now we have some very cold air coming down from Canada, and that's what we're seeing this morning. This is the picture of this morning, and all this stuff right here is lake-effect snow. So this cold air is coming down, the winds have started to pick up, and the temperatures have gone way down. Good idea going out for a bike ride today.
Absolutely, definitely an A+. And as far as the grade on Monday, Memorial Day, what do you give?
A-. A little bit of showers and maybe some clouds in the morning, but then nice.
But plenty of time for people to go out and do what they need to do.
Oh, absolutely.
On the holiday.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice weekend.
Sounds good.
And I have 4 weather watchers with me today. We have Lauren, McKenna, Megan, and Samantha. And guys, thanks for coming on. I got to ask you, Lauren, why don't we start with you? What do you think about today's weather?
I love it.
Oh, you love it? You like the hot weather out there?
Yes.
McKenna, how about you? What do you think about the weather?
I like it because I can go swimming.
Oh, that's a good one. How about you?
I love it, but the only thing I don't like about it is it's really hot and you can get really sweaty.
Yeah, it is. But if you bring a lot of water, though, then you can cool off. How about you, Samantha?
I really like it because I can get a tan and go swimming.
Oh, that's a good answer. That's some very good outdoor activities to do. So 4 out of 4 here at the Oakdale Mall like today's weather. So thanks, guys, for coming on, being so brave, and enjoy the weather. Bring plenty of water, though, if you go outside, all right? So let's go to the maps, and I'll show you some of these current temperatures that we're seeing outside right now. Also be careful because temperatures are right at about freezing, so a lot of the rain that we picked up yesterday, and even some of the rain that we picked up on Tuesday, still on the roads, still on the driveways and sidewalks, and it make it a little bit slippery. The good news, though, is that the bulk of the precipitation is now off in New England. There's a nice area of clearing here, and now, as you see, we are seeing just a little bit of an area of some mixed precipitation here and some snow flurries as well. That'll pass through the area this morning, probably into the late morning hours, around 10, 11 o'clock, and then after that, there's an area of clearing behind it. So that's a good thing. No more precipitation. We've got enough precipitation for the last couple of days. We picked up about 2 inches of rain in the last 2 days, but there is some cloud cover that's still coming at us here. So I think we will see mostly cloudy skies for the day today because there's still a lot of cloud cover back in the Ohio River Valley. But then after that gets through for your Friday, we may see a little bit of sun. So we may see just a couple of peaks of sun if a couple of those clouds break off, but mostly cloudy skies today for the afternoon. But again, no precipitation, which is a good thing. This is all associated with the same low pressure system, and this is the very tail end of it. The big lows that went through the last couple of days are well off the coast. This is kind of the very, very tail of this storm, and it is bringing us those leftover snow flurries, those extra snow flurries this morning. But that'll push out as we head through the day, and then a high pressure system will start coming up from the Ohio River Valley here and bring us some colder air from Canada. That'll cause a couple of lake effect snow flurries to our north, but I don't think any of those lake effect snows will impact us here in the greater Binghamton area. We'll see mostly cloudy skies this morning, and again a couple of snow showers with a temperature in the low 30s. The flurries will start to taper off around lunchtime and then hit mostly cloudy skies for your ride home with a high temperature of just 33 degrees at the airport, 35 in the valleys. Not too much warmer than what we're seeing right now. We'll see some clearing overnight tonight. It's going to be a chilly night, partially because of that clearing. We'll see low temperatures right around 20 degrees in most spots. And then Friday, as I said, it's actually going to be a pretty decent day. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds, probably the most sun that we've seen in a while around here, and a high temperature of around 38 degrees, about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Saturday, though, we have a low pressure system that's coming down from Canada, and not only is it going to bring us a shot of some rain and some snow, some mixed precipitation on Saturday afternoon into evening, it's going to bring some cold air with it down from Canada. Look at those high temperatures on Sunday and Monday. Highs are only going to be in the 20s and lows will be in the single digits. All right, let's say congratulations out to today's My Weather Art winner. Today's winner is Sarah Tanzini of Greene, New York. She drew a picture called A Snowy Day, which it might happen this weekend if we pick up some snow. And congratulations to Sarah. Jan, I've forgotten what those snowy days have looked like. We've seen so much rain recently.
I know. When I moved up here, I expected big snowfall. What is it, Jordan?
It hasn't happened yet. We still got time, though.
Okay.
Still got a couple more months.